In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how you can create a blog post about a topic that you're truly passionate about and use AI to speed up the process by like 10x, seriously, so that you can start making money with affiliate links of products you love recommending. This is really how you turn your passion into passive income the super duper easy way. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do today. Step number one, we're gonna do research. So what are people actually searching on Google that you want to write about? And we're gonna make this very specific to your niche. Because here's the thing, if you put in all the work and you post a blog article that then doesn't really rank on Google search and it's more like on the bottom, you won't get any traffic. And if you don't get any traffic, no one will see your valuable content and then no one will buy from you. So we don't want this to happen to you. Okay, so then step number two, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use free AI tools to do all the work for you so you can just lean back and chill. And then step number three, you will publish your blog and then you will add all of your affiliate links below your blog. It's as simple as that. So let's get started, and to make this a little bit easier, I will show you all of these steps by walking through an example. And let's say you're really interested in basset hounds, like this cutie right here. So for your blog post to rank high on Google, you want to know what people are searching for on the internet when it comes to basset hounds. So because if they don't search, again, no one's going to find your blog post. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to answerthepublic.com. And I will make sure to put all the links in the description below so you can just click on that and don't have to type it in. And so once we land there, the first thing we're going to do is we type in our keyword right here and then select the country that we want to see the trends in, right? So I will do basset hounds and United States. So let's take a look. So when we look at basset hounds, we see a lot of different cool things here, such as why are basset hounds so lazy? Basset hounds are lazy. Okay, interesting. So let's actually run with this topic. Now that we have our topic, let's go to step number two. Let's have AI do all the work for us. So first we're gonna go to Writesonic. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add basset hound lazy in there. And then we're gonna see what articles they have. Okay, quite a few. And then we select these articles and then we basically ask the AI to rewrite those articles and create a net new article. And then we have, look at this. It's like writing it. It's really, really cool. So now that we have the article, we want to tailor it more toward our audience, and we also want to make sure that there's some products in there. So we just copy paste this to ChatGPT. We're gonna ask to make this maybe a little bit funnier. And then the other thing we can do is we can also figure out how we can add products to this blog post. And then what we're gonna do is we can just easily add our affiliate links to this blog post. Once we have the article and the affiliate links all together that you can get from Amazon, for instance, then what you can do is you can use Medium or Substack or your own blog, and you literally just post whatever we just came up with, refined by ChatGPT and Writesonic, and post it with the affiliate links. Okay, if you're eager to learn more about really mastering the affiliate marketing game, I want you to make sure to check out these videos next.